Start speaking now. Time is up. Hi, I'd like to tell you about a really memorable trip I took a few years ago. It was a summer vacation with my best friend Sarah. We decided to visit Banff National Park in Alberta. We spent a whole week exploring the beautiful mountains and lakes. One day we rented a canoe and paddled on Lake Louise, and the turquoise water was absolutely stunning. I felt so peaceful and happy surrounded by such incredible nature. We also hiked a challenging trail, and even though it was tiring, reaching the top was so rewarding. We even saw some wild animals like deer and elk, which was very exciting and a bit surprising. This trip was truly unforgettable because it helped me appreciate Canada's natural beauty even more. It was also a great chance to spend quality time with Sarah. I hope to go back again someday.